Okay, so I'm doing a video back here at my house because I forgot to do an intro when I was out on the water today. Basically, as soon as I put my line in the water, instant instant fish on. So I was kind of busy and didn't think about it. Should have planned it a little bit better myself. But anyway, I'll show you what I got here. There are 10 white bass and let me see, 2 crappie and a yellow. I was actually trying to hunt. Okay. Trying to hunt down some hybrids today. Sorry, trying to hunt down some hybrids today, but I couldn't find where they were. But that's okay. These right here, I'm going to be filleting these up, and I've got a person in need that is interested in getting some of these, so I'm going to hook them up. The water temperature today was actually like in the 60s. The afternoon high today was about 83, so it's a little bit crazy right now for Tennessee weather. But I'm gonna fillet these things up, and so I'll get back at this. Sorry about not doing this out there on the water. Normally I know that I did get some videos of catching some of these, so I'll put all that stuff together. Thanks for entertaining yourself with my hobby. You guys have a good day. Okay, looks like I've got a white bass today for the first fish. And I'm gonna need pliers for this one. It looks like he grabbed the hook a little bit heavy. Well, let's see what I can do with white bass today. I missed pulling it up out of the water, but it's a pretty good sized crappie. Got some crappie, I think. This is what I've pulled a couple really nice crappie, almost 2-pounders. Let's see. Nope. Almost had it. Okay, not sure. It might be a crappie. Oh, no, it's a yellow. Barely caught him by the side. Little baby yellow. It's a white bass. sized white bass. So I can hold it like, there we go. For a white bass, it's not a bad size. Feels like a white bass. Yep, that's exactly what it is. So far, kind of hard to see them in there, but I think I've got about 10 white bass so far. Wind picked up and fishing pole got nailed. Not quite sure what it is yet. Feels like it might be a pretty good sized white bass or a small hybrid. Oh, okay. Caught it on the side of the gill. Okay. I'm coming.